welcome to my channel. It's Eric Auto Center. Guys, I welcome you once again, and it's yet another episode. In this video, I'm going to talk about transmission, how you can use it for long lasting. And some of clients also complain a lot about transmission because due to lack of maintenance and lack of proper repair, they are always used to buy a lot of transmission and changing it regularly. Especially this kind of Korea cars has a problem about transmission, so little mistake that you can do can able to harm you and cause a lot of problem to your transmission, because this transmission has no gauge for you to determine whether you have oil inside or not. So we have a scheduled time for it to change it, and it's also important for you to schedule a time for it, because it's invisible and you cannot use your eye to see or use any gauge to determine whether your transmission is due to change or is at the proper level. So I'm going to take you more into details and tell you a lot of this transmission, how you can able to maintain it, how you can able to use it for long lasting, and it also helps you to save a lot of money. But before I will start the introduction, please, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please like it, share and put your comment below. But don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated for more tutorials, because we upload videos every week on this platform for your benefit, and especially the car users on this platform. So I'm going to show you, this is the oil I mostly use for my transmission. Is Mitsubishi. It's a premium for multi cars, and it's also CVT. CVT means continuous variable transmission. It works faster and smarter than other transmission like Toyota Corolla 2002, 2002. They are transmission, but it's not CVT. So it is a manual or a dual transmission. I can clarify to that, but this is a CVT, pure electronics and all the devices come together to work it properly. So it has a different oil for which we call it continuous variable transmission, and this is the required oil for you to use for transmission. And for the scheduled maintenance, you have to change your transmission oil for every 20,000 to 30,000 kilometers, which is 2 years or a half and above, for you to maintain your car, because you cannot use your eye to check it whether you have enough oil or your oil is due to change, and it cannot show on the screen for you to see. So to schedule a time is more important for you, and it will help you a lot to use your car as long as you can and for long lasting of the transmission. So I want to show you something under for this transmission, how it gets started and how it got done. It's totally condemned, and we are bringing this engine down to change it and replace a new transmission, but it's a cost of money, and I want to show you how it works under. Okay, capture. Yeah, okay. All right. So this is the transmission, the CVT transmission, continuous variable transmission. The whole problem was an leakage, and customer failed to notice it. So the thing needed to seize the gearbox when the car is on the highway driving. So this oil is very dirty, as you can see, and this is a magnetic boot that takes all the dirty and friction from inside. So this is how oil turns into when it keeps long in the gearbox. So imagine this keep long in the gearbox, that means it will lead up to destroy the gearbox. That's why we have a maintenance schedule for transmission oil, which is approximately 20,000 or 25,000 kilometers and above, which is exactly 2 to 3 years. For you to change it will also help you a lot to keep this transmission life more than before. So this is why always Eric Auto Center want to acknowledge and recommend to customers and car users out there to keep updating, to keep maintenance their car. And you know, this is a Korean Santa Fe, and for you to keep this gearbox longer than before, the only thing will escape you is to change this oil regularly. And don't forget also to use the required oil that manufacturer has recommended to you, or the Mitsubishi I show you will also help you a lot to keep a lot and a more distance for this transmission, because keep changing transmission will also enable you to use a lot of money that you cannot afford. So I'm here to guide you and protect you in case you have own your own car, schedule a lot of maintenance, both everything on the car for you to drive safe, just for the betterment of the driving and keep the car as good as the manufacturer did. So this is Eric Auto Center. Please subscribe, like, put the comment below, and then share to other people to benefit from it. Thank you for watching, and I will meet you once again on this platform. Bye bye. Have a wonderful day.